Small business owners who took advantage of the Paycheck Protection Loan Program to secure cheap loans during the pandemic don't have to pay them back. Granted, you use the money for the eligible purposes, the federal government is willing to forgive your loan. Yet many small business owners haven't even applied yet. That's bad news. The loans come due 10 months after you got the money in the bank. You don't want to end up paying a loan back that you do not owe. I'm Donna Fuscaldo. I'm a senior finance writer with business.com. In this video, I am going to explain how PPP loan forgiveness works and show you how easy it is to get it done. Depending on how much you borrowed, applying for PPP loan forgiveness can take a few minutes or require some effort. But before you can even begin the process, you have to make sure you're eligible for loan forgiveness. The SBA requires small business loan borrowers to have used 60% of the proceeds for payroll and payroll expenses. The remaining 40% could have gone for operating expenses, including rent, mortgage payments, utility bills, protective gear for your employees, and any costs associated with the pandemic. It sounds like you check off all those boxes. It's time to get busy applying for loan forgiveness. The first step to apply for PPP loan forgiveness is to contact your lender. Your lender has every motivation to get these loans off their books and are going to be willing to help. Many of these lenders operate online portals that streamline the loan forgiveness application process. The SBA also offers an online loan portal, but banks have to opt into it. That means your bank might not be participating, which is why it's extremely important to contact your bank first. Pro tip, if your bank and the SBA both offer online loan forgiveness portals, go with your bank. Chances are they're going to get it done a lot quicker. When it comes to applying for PPP loan forgiveness, there are 3 loan applications. The size of your loan will dictate which one is right for you. By far, the easiest loan forgiveness application is SBA Form 3508S. This is for small business owners who borrowed $150,000 or less. There is no documentation required for this 2-page application. You are basically self-certifying your answers. The second loan application, which is a little more complicated, but is pretty easy, is SBA Form 3508EZ. This is for businesses that have no employees or who did not cut the payroll by 25% or more. You don't need any documentation for this loan if this is your first drawer. If you took out a second PPP loan, you do have to provide proof that sales fell 25% or more. By far, the most complicated PPP loan forgiveness application is the SBA's Form 3508. This is for larger loans and requires you to provide documentation as to what you use the money for. All of them aren't as tough as filing your taxes, and we do that every year. So there should be no reason not to apply for loan forgiveness, even if you're required to provide proof. Once you figure out which application is right for you, you can get busy applying. You should find out an answer within a week. Key is to not wait. Your loan comes due 10 months after your money landed in the bank. Again, you don't want to be making payments on something you do not have to. I'm Donna Fuscaldo. I'm a senior finance writer at business.com. I hope this video explaining how PPP loan forgiveness helped you, and I hope it will get you motivated to get it done.